Hi everyone, Now the Psych here. I have a quick video for you today that I have entitled Intellectual Humility. So what is intellectual humility? Well, I have an AI generated statement or information that I like, so I'll present that. The recognition that one's knowledge and beliefs are not perfect and might be wrong, with a willingness to reconsider one's views in light of new information. It involves acknowledging the limits of one's understanding and being open to the possibility of being wrong while still holding strong beliefs. Okay, then I found an article from Science Direct, April 2019, called The Psychological Roots of Intellectual Humility, the Role of Intelligence and Cognitive Flexibility. And I was curious to see how I'd fit in with this. So it includes following aspects, and answered some questions such as is intellectual humility positively correlated with cognitive flexibility? Yes. So I'm thinking, okay, that's me. Yes. And then, is intellectual humility positively correlated with intelligence? Yes. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, well that's me. And then another article from Science Direct entitled Intellectual Humility in Romantic Relationships, Implications for Relationship Satisfaction, Argument Frequency, and Conflict Behaviors indicate that research shows that people higher in IH, intellectual humility, think more deeply about the evidentiary basis of the claims they hear, are better at distinguishing strong from weak evidence, that's me, and preferred balance over one-sided arguments, me, presumably because they recognize that most controversial issues are not black and white, me. So I'm thinking, this is great, I'm got to be way up there. So let's see what else I'm way up there in. Okay. So the article also says that these people also seem to be more open-minded, curious, and interested in learning, and also tolerate ambiguity better, allowing them to hold their viewpoints more tentatively and admit when they are wrong. That's me, although I can't remember admitting when I was wrong. But anyway, let's keep on going. People higher in IH handle disagreements better than those lower in IH. For example, people higher in IH are more open to considering other people's views, devote more effort to trying to understand why others do not agree with them, and are more likely to empathize with other people. Yes, I'm batting 100 here. I mean 1,000. Okay. Now, people higher in IH also react less negatively when others disagree. For example, people higher in IH become less upset when other people disagree with them. This is based on Leary et al. 2017, which may allow them to regulate their behavior during conflicts. And one other point, these cognitive and behavioral patterns suggest that people who score higher in IH may manage disagreements with romantic partners in less antagonistic ways, reducing conflicts and enhancing relationship quality. Okay. All right. So, as you can see, that high IH has tentacles, so to speak. It can reach into people's lives in many ways, and there's a lot more to read up on if you're interested in this subject. And the articles I mentioned are just basically a starting point. So it'd be possibly interesting for you to find out where you fit in terms of all of these aspects. And that is it for now. Thanks.